Auntie, this is a really big question. I know it's going to be hard in a minute, but how can I, as a non-Indigenous educator, embed Indigenous perspectives into the English curriculum?
Well, it is a huge question, as you say, Carla, but first of all, kudos to the person that asked that question and to wanting to find out to do the right thing. You know, it's all about including Indigenous perspectives in everything, whether it's science, the environment, religion or whatever, but including Indigenous perspectives and exposing people to a number of different Indigenous voices as well. But if you're going to go ahead and develop curriculum, I suggest you do it also with guidance from the local Indigenous community, seek their perspectives, check things over with them, that things are, you know, being taught proper way, culturally right way. But good on you for wanting to include Indigenous perspectives.
And it can depend on what level too. So, Auntie, we've had high schools roll out and embed our 7 steps to allyship in their framework, and then we've had high schools reach out to us about the curriculum. But
Yes.
there's some great Indigenous businesses like Kuri Curriculum. Hey,
Yes, Kuri Curriculum is a great one. Talk to them, find out what they do and how they can assist you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lots to be done and a great question. In Yidagulgona.
Go well.